hook up. Little bluegill. I don't even know what this is. The colors are really cool on them. Caught him on a Rapala F7. Hey, with another one. On the Rapala F7 jerkbait. Nice fish. Don't get off. Yeah. Nice fish. It's a big fish. That one is. Sweet. Okay. I just caught that chunk. This looks really good for bass fishing and bluegill and stuff. Give him some water. Ooh, watch out, you're his eye. Yeah, let's give him some water. Give it one. Is he still alive? Yeah. Dang, got him good. Give me the pliers. Yeah, I want to get a picture of it. We'll get back to you guys with more fish. It's a nice little bass. It's a spotted bass. Look how fat he is. Dang. Oh. Top and bottom. God. Will you let some line out? Right in his teeth. He's gonna need braces. Dang. Let me try to get it. Yeah, okay. Nice choke. Bailey with the bluegill. That's a big old bluegill. A crab. Yep, you're done. All three hooks got him. He swallowed that. Tried to. Got it. There you go, bluegill. Bluegill. On a crankbait as big as it is. Surprised I got the hook out of that last one. All 3 hooks were in the deal.
It's a nice little bluegill. Not really.
On the Paula F7. Really good lure. Darted.
Bailey with another bluegill.
Whoa. These bluegill love these. Whoa. I hate it when I hook these little fish in the side like this.
We're trolling right now. That's how
Nice bass. Nice bass there, probably 2 or 3 pounds.
chunk.
Yeah. Nice fish. Where'd he go?
Bailey with a fish. What?
It's a bluegill, but he's flying really hard.
Yeah.
Whatever it is.
And you got to pull away all day. That's this bluegill. It's going in circles.
Oh, darn it.
Oh,
That
God.
sucks. He really wanted this. Wrapped around his fin. Ow. Nice little bluegill again.
Yeah. There's Hunter with another nice little bass.
He's actually not that bad. Barely hooked him too. Barely hooked him. That hook's gonna come right out. What about his back? Another long and skinny one. I will kill you. Barely hooked. Nice little bass.
He's bleeding on the side. I don't know.
His tissue right there.
Let's get that.
He bites so hard though.
Yeah, Bailey with a bass.
What the?
Uh,
Little dink. What the heck? Is that even considered a fish? Dang. What the? What did he do? I don't even know what he did. He got all the hooks in his mouth. I know what he did. If I can get it back. Yeah.
Yeah, we're just trolling these. Sorry, well, my lens. 7s, jerk baits. They look really good in this lake, especially in the summertime. Yeah, it's summer right now. And it looks like a bleeding minnow. But usually what works in here in the winter is Ultra Vibe speedworms. They're really good in this lake. And then I just got yesterday a smaller one, Rapala. It has a F5. So I bet you that'll catch a lot of like bluegill and stuff. Maybe like small bass. Alright, Bailey finally got him off.
That's nasty. You looked at me. You gave your evil eye. Here's Hunter with a nice bass. Dang, that's a good one. Spotted too. Nice spotted bass. Fat one. Chunk.
Barely hooked him. Look at that chunk. Alright, we're gonna get some fish and just
Sweet
go
bass.
back to you guys.